talk about how can you delete your account on your Prime Video app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, just go down here, click on my stuff down here, just click on it. When you click here on my stuff, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Just click here on account here, just click on it. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on manage account. So then here it's, sorry, we will go back here, sorry. You click here on delete account here. Then it's going to show for you like this. You just scrolling down here, and here you click on yes on this sign here. You select the reason here and you click on close my account, then it's going to delete with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.